Hello everyone. If you want to change the paper layout of your Word document and you want to do writing in A4 size paper, then you need to just open your Word document here like that, and then from this menu bar you can go to layout option, and from this you can see an option of size. Once you click on this small arrow of size, you can see different types of sizes for Word pages. They are here. If you want to use letter size, you can click on this option and the size of the Word page will change into letter size. And if you want to do writing on a A4 paper, that is in having the dimension of 21 by 29.7 centimeter, you can click on this A4. Generally most of the papers that are used in academia or in form of print, they are generally in A4 paper. So you can select this A4 size as the standard size for writing any kind of assignment or thesis or a research paper. So I hope this video helps you a lot. In coming videos we will discuss some more interesting regarding what assignments. Till then, Allah Hafiz.